Hi everyone, it's Kathy Schroing, physical therapist with ReNu Physical Therapy and Wellness. And like many of you, I've been really busy this last week with extra projects around the house. For me, it's been landscaping, which is a lot of physical activity, getting down on my knees and reaching, lifting, all kinds of motions. So with all of that physical activity comes some muscle soreness. And I'd like to talk today a little bit about the best way I found to work out some soreness in muscles. Roller stick. Yes, I know, physical therapist with a stick. Isn't that just cliche? But anyway, roller stick, a great way to work out muscle soreness. So what it is, it's kind of almost like a rolling pin where it has little beads instead of one big long piece of wood or marble, and rolls along whatever body part. So I find this is a great way to work out, give myself kind of a little mini massage, or it's wonderful if someone will help you, especially for the back. But demonstrating for the legs. So excuse me as I redirect the camera here a little. I'm gonna bring up my leg. Still not in view, excuse me here. So coming along, doing for the quads, kind of my first pass or two, I recommend just kind of gently going along the muscle and then gradually getting a little bit, starting with a medium pressure and then really getting into the kneading pressure. You can do this also on the underside for the hamstrings. You can do it standing up. You can do it for your own back and many other parts. You can do the calf muscle multiple places. So roller stick, where to get them? You can get them almost anywhere, especially online. I think I got this one from Amazon, but I recommend just the smooth one with just little knobbies here, little flat pieces here. They do have some with spiky little bits. I don't recommend spiky little bits for most people. Not terribly expensive. This one was probably 30-ish, but you can get them as cheap as $10. I recommend the shorter handles. This one is 18 inches, no, excuse me, yeah, 18 inches, but they make them longer. If you're long-armed and long-limbed, you might want to get the longer, I think it's like 24 inches, but for most of us, the 18 inches is the best length. Anyway, just a hint, something to do that you can take care of yourself during these couple of weeks left we have of confinement. Have a great day. Bye.